It is used to add or modify the buttonhole. You can do it on design line and pattern. Left-click the line to add. Set the count. First buttonhole distance from start point. Last buttonhole distance from end point. Buttonhole angle. Click it to set the type and size of buttonhole. Open it to set the buttonhole group. Click it, you can set different count for different size. Right-click on the buttonhole to modify. Check it to hide the first hole. Check it to hide the last hole. You can change the distance. Left-click, you can add hole on blank area. Offset hole. Set the count and offset. Set angle. Click line, add hole on the pattern. Same as the design line setting. You can set different count and distance for each sizes. F8 change size to check. Thanks for watching.